Hey, I got Danny Agosta from Steele Rubber Products in the shop with me today. Danny, always good to see you, man.
You too.
You know, when you're here, we just always have a whole bunch of black squishy stuff out here, because that's what you guys are known for, is automotive weather stripping.
You've been doing it for 60 years.
60 years, that's a long time, man. And that really is at your core, is the automotive trucks. I mean, you do custom catalogs. If I tell you if I got this car, you'll make a catalog that shows me what I need and what you make.
We have been doing this car stuff for 60 years. It is our core, it's our bread and butter, but we have been listening to our customers, and our customers want things for their trailer or their toy hauler, the trailer that they take their car to the drag strip in, and their boat and things like that. So we've started making stuff for that as well.
For all sorts of stuff,
yeah,
trailers, boats, RVs?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of the parts that we make can be used in other places, and that's how our universal line started to be built. But things like RVs definitely have some unique parts that we've started carrying as well.
Well, you know, so like say at the core, I mean, this is a typical weather stripping here with those fancy ends that you do. You got a bunch of different weather stripping out here. And these, I mean, what are these, flashcards? I was told there wouldn't be a test. No,
no test.
No test.
Those are cards that come with our sample packs. And you can see, you know, there's stuff there that's specific to RV slide outs with those big tongues on them. If you know you're looking something for your glass, but you're not 100% sure what you need, we have a sample pack just for channel. We have a sample pack that for hood decals and for doors.
So you'll send me this with the card and the little pieces in there, and I see if that fits?
Yeah, it's so much easier once you have the piece in your hand to say, that's what I've been looking for.
Yeah. So, and all these like little bumpers and grommets and stuff like that, are those universal or are those for specific apps?
They're created for specific apps, but you know, if you need a bumper that's 3/4 inch tall and wide, then we can find that for you.
All right, now you actually threw me for a loop on this. You guys are black squishy stuff, huh?
Right.
White and squishy.
Yeah.
What's the deal there?
A lot of RVs come with the white weather stripping on them. You know, there's cases where the white stuff degrades a little bit. I mean, they're using some real cheap compounds as they're putting that stuff together, but we can replace it with the white stuff. If you want to, we have that.
That is amazing. I bet that's pretty hard to find, actually.
Yeah.
And most of this universal is peel and stick too, right?
Yeah, we have the 3M adhesive on a lot of our products. It's a heat applied tape. It's not double stick, so that's on there.
Wow. So, okay, so you got rubber for all sorts of things, and I can, you know, figure out what I need from these great sample packs, but you can also help me learn how to get the old stuff off and put the new stuff on, right?
That's right. We have a great expert staff. We also have a ton of how-to videos. So if you need information on how to do this or what goes here, give us a call or go on our YouTube or our website.
It's all there.
And we have videos. And
you guys are on the other end of the phone if I want to talk to a humanoid.
We're hobbyists too. So
yeah, I know you guys, you are hobbyists. And are these some of the tools of the trade?
Yeah, this is our little installation toolkit here. Whether you are scraping the rubber off or putting it back on, these are pretty much what you need.
Yeah, that's for chopping it?
Yeah, nice clean cuts with the razor.
Stripper, adhesive remover?
Adhesive remover, glue for your rubber to your body, glue for the rubber ends.
Silly putty?
Silly putty. For whenever you have to figure out what that gap size is.
Silly putty and saran wrap. Put it in there, boom, take it out and measure.
Saran wrap keeps it clean.
It's amazing. Well, you know, I guess it doesn't matter the application. If it needs weather stripping, you guys can probably fix me up with the right stuff.
Yes, and if you have any questions, we're the experts. Give us a call, send us pictures, email us, and we'll figure it out for you.
You know, it's a beautiful thing. So hey, if you want to learn anything more about all these different applications for rubber or how to put it on and take it off, log on to steelerubber.com. White squishy threw me for a loop, man.